This is the ExactTrades.com movers report for October 4th, 2011. Taking a look here at MCP, see we're gapping up against the market. Last is at 32.18. Going to look for a long over this 33 area. So we'll see where we can continue to gap up before the open. If we open below 33, wait for a break over 33. I would take this long about 33.07 area. First profit target is going to be 33.40. Second profit target is going to be about 33.74, so right in this area. And then I would trail your last, I'll stop on your last piece to see if you can get into 34, possibly 34.50. Next we have UBS, also gapping up this morning. Last is at about 10.82 right now. You can see this trend line resistance we've had for about 3 days. We're looking to break over that on the gap, so I would wait and take this long over 10.87. So right about there, take it long. That would be a break over that resistance level, and you're still going to have pretty good money coming into 11. So your first profit target is going to be about 10.97 or 98, just before 11. Take your 1% profit right there. Move up your stop on your second half, and then see if you can get through this 11 resistance. Next target is going to be about 11.17. Might want to take some off around 11.10 to 11.11, right in there. And then trail up your stop. Again, you have resistance here at 11.17 to 11.20. If it can break through that, you'll be fine up into 11.30 and then possibly 11.43. So you can see those resistance levels there. Next we have HGSI gapping down this morning. You can see here last is right around 11. We're going to look to take this long off the open. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to see if it's going to move up and close to a new high of the day off of the open. Take it long. I would start with a half a position. See if you get a pullback, add your second half with a higher low, or if you hold a low of the day and move back up, see if you can break through the previous high and make new highs and trend up. First profit target is going to be about 11 cents from your average entry. Second profit target is going to be about 22 cents. I would watch this 11.50 right here for resistance. Also 11.57 area. So those two will have a resistance. I think you could get a good 20 to 30 cents out of this trade on the long side. This may sell off a little bit off of the open. If it does, just set your alert. If it moves back up and then breaks, maybe we get some buying later in the morning. Then you go ahead and take this trade later on the break to a new high, and then follow the profit targets just like we talked about. Next we have XRX, another gap down. Last is at 638, right about there. We're going to look to take this long off the open. Again, start with half a position, wait for it to make a new high on the 1 minute chart, see if it'll get a pullback and add your second half. First profit target is going to be about 6 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 12 cents. Watch this 650 for resistance and then 660 right in here. After that, you could trail a stop up in this 670 area. There's not a huge amount of money in this trade, so I wouldn't be too patient. Follow your profit targets pretty strictly. And then once you get past that second profit target for your trade, go ahead and just trail your stop up and see if you can get it to trend up into the 660 or 670 area possibly. Now we're looking at TIBX, another gap down this morning. Last is at 20.45. We're going to look to take this long off the open. I would like it to open below this 20.50 area. If it opens above 20.50, I might pass on the trade or trade a smaller position. You're going to have some pretty good resistance right over 21. Right in this area here, so I would like to have a little bit more money in the trade if possible. So look for it to open below 20.50. See if you can make a new high of the day off the open. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes. First profit target is going to be 20 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 40 cents from your average entry. And then I just trail the stop up into this 20.80 area. See if you can get through 20.80 and into 21. Probably going to face some pretty good resistance around 21. If it can break through 21, could possibly go to 21.40. And our last trade is YOKU. You can see support level here around 14.77. We're gapping down this morning, down at 15.20. I would wait for a break below this 14.75 area. Take this short around 14.70. So right in there. First profit target is going to be about 14.55, 53 area right in here. Second profit target is going to be about 14.40, and then I would trail a stop and see if it can trend down into 14 on the break below support level. So we're gapping down into the support level. Going to look for it to break below and see if we can take this short on the break below support. Follow your profit targets and then trail the stop down into 14 if possible. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.